We've all been there. You start with the basics: rent, groceries, utilities. But then life throws you a curveball. Maybe you take up a new hobby, decide to prioritize self-care with spa days, or accidentally create a duplicate eating out category. Don't judge, it happens to the best of us. Suddenly, your spending breakdown looks less like a clear financial roadmap and more like a confetti explosion. This is where custom categories in Snoop come in handy. They allow you to personalize your budget to reflect your unique spending habits. But what if you create a custom category and then, well, it just doesn't work anymore? Maybe your interest in rock climbing fizzled out, or you found a more budget-friendly way to pamper yourself. Here's the good news: deleting a custom category in Snoop is a breeze. In this quick video, we'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Finding the Edit Your Categories oasis. First things first, let's navigate to the category editing haven within the Snoop app. Open the app and tap on the Spending tab. This will bring you to your spending breakdown, where you can see exactly where your hard-earned money is flowing. Now, within your spending section, look for the magic button that unlocks category control: Edit Custom Categories. It might be hiding at the bottom of the screen, so don't hesitate to scroll if needed. Behold, the Category Management Arena. Tapping on Edit Custom Categories throws open the doors to your Category Management Arena. Here, you'll see a glorious list of all the custom categories you've created. It's like a financial fingerprint, showcasing your unique spending habits. But fear not, this isn't a permanent record set in stone. You have the power to edit or delete any category that no longer serves you. The art of the delete button, and a word of caution. Now, let's say you spot the category you want to banish to the budgeting abyss. Simply tap on the three little dots next to that category name. This unveils a hidden menu with two options: Edit and, you guessed it, Delete. A gentle reminder before saying goodbye. Before you hit delete with reckless abandon, a quick heads up. Deleting a category doesn't make those transactions disappear into thin air. They'll simply revert back to their original, pre-customization categories. So, if you're unsure where a category was originally assigned, it might be a good idea to check before hitting delete. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.